Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making coquito or Puerto Rican eggnog, so please stick around and watch this video. Happy holidays. My ingredients are: I have Bacardi, I have 2 cans of coconut milk, cream of coconut, cream of the cocoa, evaporated milk 2, 1 can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. I have 5 cinnamon stick, 5 Star Annise. I have about 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And these are my ingredients. First, I'm going to start by making the tea. I have 2 cups of water and I'm going to add it to the pot. I'm going to turn the heat on. You can turn it on medium low. And I'm going to add the cinnamon sticks. I'm going to add the Star Annise. And I'm going to add the cloves. What I'm doing, I'm infusing the cinnamon, the Star Annise, and the cloves into the water. And when it reduces down to about a cup, because this is 2 cups of water, I'm just going to turn the stove off, or when it changes to a brown color. While the tea is boiling, I'm just going to move on to the next step by adding all the milks together. I'm going to mix the milk, combine the milk together. And first I'm going to add the evaporated milk. The tea is finished. I've let it cool down and now I'm going to strain. The flavor is everything in this tea. Look. See, you want this color? And let me see if it reached to 1 cup. Almost, see? Just a little tad. See? I'm going to add the vanilla extract. I'm going to add the cinnamon powder, and I'm going to grate 1 nutmeg, 1 freshly grated nutmeg. I'm going to add about a teaspoon. I like freshly grated nutmeg because it has lots more flavor to it. And if you don't like nutmeg, you can go ahead and skip this part. You don't have to add any nutmeg. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, and now I'm just going to combine everything. Give this a nice mix until everything is combined. Nicely combined, and now I'm just going to add the Bacardi. I'm going to add the rum, and you can use any rum of choice. The amount depending on your choice. You can add less or you can add more. If you want it strong, this is 1 cup. I think I'm going to add 2 cups to it. If you want to go more than that, that's up to you. So I'm using 2 cups. Everything is nicely combined. Just going to taste it. Telling you, this tastes awesome. All the flavors, oh my god, all the flavors come together so perfectly. The Star Annise, the clove, as you taste it, you can taste all the spice. The vanilla, everything comes together so perfectly. And this is it, guys, simple and easy. And now I'm just gonna bottle them, and the longer it stays, it's gonna get thick. So it's kind of watery now, but when it's set for about a day or two or a couple hours, it's gonna be much thicker. I'm gonna add this to my bottle, and this is a 1.75 liter bottle. And I have a funnel so I don't make any mess. Lots of flavor. I'm going to add another bottle, and this is 750 milliliters, just in case you guys want to know how much it makes. And we have a little bit more, about 2 cups leave into the pan. We have about 2 cups leave, and I'm just gonna serve that up and do a taste test. So this is the amount it has made, plus about 2 cups more in the pan. So this is a great amount. So this is how I make my coquito, guys, our Puerto Rican eggnog. It was so easy and simple, and I know you're gonna love it. It's flavorful, and these are the size bottle that I use, and this is the amount, plus I have 2 cups leave. When you put this in the fridge to chill, and this can stay about a month because it got rum in it, and I don't think it's gonna stay a month because you're gonna go ahead and drink and drink and drink and enjoy and be merry. Happy holidays again. So this is it, guys, my coquito. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm gonna do a taste test. You have it, guys. I add some personality to my drink. Look at this. I add some coconut flakes around the rim. I add some Star Annise on top, just to give you an idea on how to decorate it for Christmas. It was so simple and easy to make, guys. These are my finished product. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you already reached this far into it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed. I know you're gonna love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Oh my god. As you taste it, you taste the alcohol, you taste the Bacardi, you taste the flavor from the cinnamon and the other spices. Oh my god, this is tasting so amazing. I'm telling you, you taste the coconut instantly. Everything, every flavor just start to come into your mouth. You taste everything. It's a lovely Christmas drink. When you taste it, you feel like it's Christmas already. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next one. Beautiful.